Okay, so now let's talk about when do you specifically use the feature mailing, setting up a mail timer and email timer settings. So like we've said before, you firstly select which template you're going to use, you give it a name, and then you can either trigger based on the group of customers, specific group. So if you're grouping your customers according to what products they have bought from you, then if you want to specifically speak to a client that maybe has had a specific service or product from you, then you select that group. If you want to speak to a specific set of clients, or you don't want an email to go to a specific client in this group, then it will not be sent to them here as well. You can also trigger these templates based upon what leads are in status wise, source wise, and tag wise. Okay, this feature also allows you to decide when you're sending it and the number of emails that you're going to send per minute. So when you're doing a huge email list, amount of emails to be sent, it is a good idea to stagger them, possibly like 20 emails every hour or every 30 minutes, because you also don't want your server to be flagged and your domain to be marked as somebody that sends out spammy emails. So this allows you to actually send it at a more decent flow. The other thing you've also got to remember is if you leave this trigger on, so for example, if I create a trigger for any client who I've selected who's in the Perfex group, any email that I leave here for the client in the Perfex group will automatically be sent to them. How do I know this? How do you know this? Well, you'll see here, if we have a look at any of these emails, let me just view the logs. You'll see that there are various dates. Okay, that's all the same date, so that's a bad example. Maybe resource calendar 10 10 10 10 10. There we go. So you can see that way back in the day I sent up a set of emails to trigger out every single time to all customers with regards to the resource calendar. And it doesn't matter, whenever somebody became a customer and they met the requirements for this, so they were a customer in a specific grouping, they were automatically sent this email when they were added to that customer grouping. So if you leave it on, then it will continue to send it out as need be. And then that's how, when you use the mail timer as well. We'll also cover in this one how auto reply rules work. So you have the ability here to be able to add in emails that you'd like to be sent out. If, for example, certain words match, multiple words or specific replies happen, you can create the rule and you can trigger what email is sent there. So if there are specific scenarios in which certain words will appear in the subject title or the body, you create a name for your rule and you can trigger out an automatic reply based upon that. Okay, and our next one will cover the mailbox and the email log, and then we are set.